surfing, baby.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Kylie, and I'm back with another video. And today. So basically, me and my long lost friend, baby, because it's been a minute, honey. I know it's been a minute since I've been missing, but baby, it's been a minute since she been gone. So we basically tend to have a little steak cook-off. I mean, yeah, it was $17.99. I got the sale. But yeah, we basically about to be seeing who could cook a good steak. And let me tell you, we cook steaks different. She cook hers in the oven and I cook mine on the stove. And she cook hers with certain ingredients and I cook mine with certain ingredients. So we're gonna see how this turn out, okay?
I actually use the stove and the oven at the same, like either or.
So you do both?
Yeah, I do both. It depends on how I'm cooking. But my meal consists of being in the oven today, so I think it's a good challenge for her to do hers on top of the stove and me to be in the oven today.
Yeah, I don't cook mine. I never cook mine. But I'm about to go ahead and I'm about to wash my steak off, honey.
And we're eating New York strip steaks. My bad, y'all. My niece had a little oopsie daisy over there. We're eating New York strip steaks today. And this for lunch, y'all. We're doing this for lunch.
Yeah, what time it is?
It's like, it's 1:41, so.
I don't do all that grind out and do the extra stuff they try to do, so don't blame me. It still don't come out good though.
I know I need it.
So y'all, I just cut my steak up, put some little holes in it. Now I'm about to go ahead and I'm about to season it. Because baby, I was seasoning it very good.
And y'all, I'm cutting my steak up in pieces because I'm doing steak bites.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna do a whole steak.
She's gonna cook a whole steak.
Yes, ma'am.
And how you like your steak cooked? Medium or well done? What you eat? You like a little pink, faint pink?
I don't know. I just cook it till I feel like that's how I want it. I don't know. I don't really.
When you go out to eat, how you order your steak?
I order it medium well, but that don't mean I cook my shit medium well.
I know that's right. But you know, earlier you had made a statement about me babysitting drinks one night, and your drink looking kind of hefty over there.
Girl, you is fancy. You is fancy.
Your cup is real hefty over there, baby.
I'm about to get it. Let me wash my hands.
My daycare almost gone. I'm gonna be walking up out of here.
A little good old seasoned steak, you know, do. Yeah. It look like you want to fall apart though. Gotta make sure my shit stay together. I'm gonna break it in half later because I'm pretty sure you gonna want to be, especially with a lot of fat.
With a lot of
Fat. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put this in. I already got me some cut up onions. I'm washing my hands. I'm telling you, can't nobody battle me in cooking.
Yeah. Y'all know I do this. Y'all know I do this. What you do, Ty? I do this. coming in the kitchen.
Oh, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put it on 8 because I don't want it to be taking too long. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna oh, hold on, let me turn it down on low. So what I'm gonna do is I got this little bowl right here. Excuse me. I got this little bowl. Well, I got my steak already, you know. I'm gonna mix these two together or whatever. And I'm gonna pour it on top of my steak while it's on the stove. While it's cooking. You just give it a little juice, a little flavor. Have your steak juicy. My girl quiet, she concentrating over there. Mix that together. My girl concentrating over there.
I need a little yeah. A little. I need to use your bowl.
I'm gonna put me some butter. Wash this spoon up and put me some butter. Tell you, baby, I get down in the kitchen. My friend say she a chef, she get down, baby. I get down too, honey. We gonna see how this steak turns out.
Yep, this it.
Let me show y'all this how my steak looking right now. This how my steak looking right now. Let me turn it up. Let me turn it up.
Yes, we can cook. Stop it.
Let me turn it up. My girl still got her going. You feel me? And she on live. Follow my girl. Y'all follow my YouTube. If you're on here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Okay.
Follow all social medias at White Girl K. Except Twitter. Twitter, I'm on foreign language with 2 underscores, but everything else is White Girl K with 5 Y's. Once you hit that 1 Y, baby, it should pop up.
Period. Follow me on Instagram _Crown Me First. CROWNMEFIRST.
I'm gonna make sure I put it in the description. You done seasoning? Or you ain't never start?
No, I have to leave it a little bit more. I should have got some. Nope. Nothing. You can't
And then I'm gonna make mine with some mac and cheese. Yeah, mac and cheese. I'm gonna wait to put this on in the middle of me doing my thing. I got a thing. Oh, okay, alright. You put your broccoli in the oven too. Alright, okay.
Yeah, what she said?
Yeah. Making my water for my mac and cheese, honey. We really cook different because I make my broccoli on the stove.
When I'm doing this meal, it's in the oven. But when I do it, I do steam mine on the stove. I don't cook it, I steam it.
Yeah, that's what I do.
Is this lemon pepper? Period. If you never had lemon pepper broccoli before, you're missing out.
Oh, babe, I use this for everything. My baby's just chilling, mind her business. Don't play with it, don't play with it. My girl whipping it up over here. She getting the job done over here. I'm telling you. Where's work going down? I'm telling you. Look at her licking her fingers. Talking about,
I'm missing something.
Oh! Look at her. I see my steak on her steak still. My steak gonna be done cooking. While her still in the oven. Y'all, we're gonna be back with y'all when the steak is at least in the mid of being done. Okay?
Watch your leg.
Y'all, let's see what this food looking like. Ooh, this kind of guy. Y'all, mine's still cooking. I don't want it up too high because hers cooking in the oven. But I'm about to go ahead. I'm about to start my mac and cheese. And yeah, we be back. So y'all, I'm about to go ahead and I'm about to finish. What, baby? Yeah, that baby got a lot going on over there. Hold on. What's the? What's the what? What you mad about? You just lift it up right here. There you go.
I'm stuffing my face.
But yeah, like I was saying, I'm about to go ahead and I'm about to finish my mac and cheese. My steak is already done. But y'all, why we waiting though? Cause my girl stuff look good. Do you hear me? Like, we gonna see though. We gonna see, cause you know. Let me make sure my little thing.
You definitely go see y'all.
Don't start.
She is
Cause they
definitely,
do look good, but don't start.
she is definitely about to see.
Don't start.
You should have been it. Look.
Oh. We hold on. Wait a minute. Let me open my cheese sauce.
Use the knife.
Moving my scissors.
Just give me my money. Yeah, just give me my money.
Baby, she playing. She ain't with all that right now. You heard what she said.
Yes, I even got a little Broadway steak for you, mama.
Yeah, that's what she's talking about. Yummy.
Yummy. Oh, what?
Yeah, she's at the top.
Oh, it's a top.
Yeah. Green plate.
Yes, just give me my money. Just give me my money. I just want my money. Can I have my money? Just give me my money. Just a little money.
She don't even know why she's saying no. She's just saying no.
No. She, that's good enough for me. Anything involving money. No, hell to the no. Just give me my money. She hit that bitch. No. Hi, just give me my money though. Yeah. Give me my money. Yeah. I just want my money.
Let them cool off, let the cheese soak in a little bit. And y'all, she got her plates fixed already, but we gonna see what it do, okay? And I'm be back with y'all when we start getting ready to taste test. I'm about to go ahead and finish my liquor, honey.
Let's cheers.
Come on, one more, I need a thumbnail. Come on, I need a thumbnail.
Oh, wait.
A thumbnail.
Give me my money.
So yeah, I'll be back with y'all. So yeah, this how the plate look. Got my steak, her broccoli, her steak, and my mac and cheese. Show them your plate, baby. Look, she done started eating already.
Her steak, my broccoli and cheese. This is lemon pepper broccoli and cheese,
Period.
and her mac and cheese.
Okay, so y'all, we gonna go ahead and we gonna try it. I'm
gonna try her steak. All right, y'all. Honest review.
It's good.
Her steak so juicy and full of flavor. It like bursts in your mouth. It got a glaze on it. I like that glaze from the sauce she used. And the mac and cheese good. Of course, I'm always say that because I love mac and cheese for any side. And I'm a cheese lover.
Okay, so yeah, like I was saying, I don't know why I cut off, but oh yeah, so like I was saying, you could have put some of your juice flavor on the steak, but it's still good.
I could.
And this fucking broccoli, child, hidden.
That food good.
I ain't gonna lie, I love this broccoli.
This plate gonna put me to sleep, child.
I know,
The
right?
whole ass home.
The broccoli's so good.
I'm gonna be in the car you
I ain't gonna lie.
knocked out. Yeah, I'm fucking with the broccoli.
The broccoli hidden.
The broccoli with the mac and cheese mixed together.
Mm-hmm. Ma'am, what you doing over there? But yeah, I'm about to go ahead. We about to enjoy this plate. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Her socials will be down in the description below. But we about to enjoy this food. Make sure you like. I'm gonna say it again. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I know I've been MIA, but your girl is back in motion. Yeah, I'm gonna try to stay consistent, and I plan on going on the 30-day post, so yeah, we're gonna see how that goes or whatever. And yeah, I'm about to enjoy the rest of this food this day, cause I know I'm gonna be asleep right after this. I'm not even gonna lie. But yeah, see y'all in the next video. Peace.